advisory in effect from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Twin Cities Chanhassen has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. Sunday. Timing: southwest winds will shift to the northwest after 3 a.m. Winds: sustained winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour will increase to 25 to 35 miles per hour, with gusts up to 50 miles per hour at times. The following impacts are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. In addition, loose objects could be blown around, and weakened tree branches that haven't seen strong winds recently could fall. A wind advisory means that wind gusts in excess of 45 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Repeating, a wind advisory has been issued from 3 a.m. Sunday until 7 a.m. Sunday for the following counties in Minnesota: McLeod and Meeker. This is Weather Radio.